Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell about a new topic called register and transfer agent. Before going to deal with what is meant by register and transfer agent, we must know what is meant by registers and what is meant by transfer agent. First, register is a trust or institution that registers and maintains the records of transaction of investors for the convenience of mutual fund houses. Registers is the institution or trust. It maintains and registers the records of all the transactions made by the investors for the convenience of mutual fund houses. They help the mutual fund houses for maintaining all the records about the transaction made by the investors. Transfer agency is an organization utilized by the mutual fund companies and other financial services firm to prepare and maintain documents and records relating to shareholder accounts. Transfer agency is also an organization and it is used by the mutual fund companies and other financial services firm to prepare and maintain the documents and records related to every shareholders in the mutual fund houses. Finally, R&D agent maintain the records of every mutual fund transaction on behalf of the fund houses through his network of offices across the country. Using their offices in every part of the country, they maintain the records of every mutual fund transaction made in every mutual fund houses. This is the main aim of R&D agents. Examples for R&D agents are Carvey, CAMS, Sundaram Financial Services, Franklin Template Services, and Escort are the R&D services in mutual fund industries in India. CAMS is a R&D agent which is mainly focused on the Chennai-based mutual fund houses. It helps both financial as well as non-financial transactions. It gives investors the form of fund houses and in turn they send out the account statement. It helps the investors with information and details on any new fund offers, divide and pay, consolidation of folios or any such information at a single place of warranty. They help the investors with information and details about the new funds offered by the mutual fund houses and divide and pay. Divide and pay means the contribution of profit to the shareholders made by the mutual fund houses and consolidation of folios, which means they provide consolidation about where to make a fund in the fund houses. All these informations are provided by the warranty agent and any such information at a single place of warranty. It serves as a branch of mutual funds and help them in sales process. In the investor sites, they provide information about the offers and any other information like this to the investors for their benefits. In the mutual fund side, they serves as a branch for them and help them in the sales process. They provide money for the services or provided by the R&D agents. The mutual fund houses provide money for the services provided by the R&D agents. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding this presentation, please put it on the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information in the banking sectors.